Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday afternoon, June 26th, and we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. So I guess I could say what I want about the sellers not getting much distance away from previous day's lows. It's still continuing. So this is 5 days in a row now with either overlapping a low or lower value. We go out with a price probe to the downside. Right now we have an inside week down. Didn't pay a lot today. But we've had an inside week down to start. We had 10 wide. We went through our opening 10 out of 13 time frames. We have an afternoon rally high in F. NQ goes out with a price probe, a double distribution day to the downside. Their inside day down paid very nicely, and they have an inside week down right now. So things are changing. Riley started off like a ball of fire. They took back 6 reference points to the upside, including the gap. And then, you know what? I think they got the gap. I would have to check that. And then they just stopped, came back, and did nothing the entire day. They don't take out either side of the IB, and they end 11 wide. You know, for a tight range and light volume, had a great day. Made 39.5 points today. And that's after losing 4 points in A on a short against value high, and losing another 7 points 5 points, another 5 points on a long against value low in C period at the time. So those are my 2 losses. Made small on the long in A period after I lost on the short. I made 7 points on a long in B period with the ebb and flow, because once again the market was doing what we've seen happen these last 5 days, where they get this push up and then they came back. I did okay on that, but then C, I gave back 5 of those and I lost 5 points. Then I went strictly short. Best trade of the day was C. After losing 5 points on the long, I made 20 on a short when I shorted a 5 lot from 85 to 81. Made 4 points on that one on a 5 lot. That was very nice. And then I just continued shorting E, F, G, H, and I. I didn't do anything after I. It got a little choppy in K and L. Now M turned out to be, I was initially looking to get up to either halfback or F value high and F high to take a short in K and L. Never happened. And then I didn't take anything in M, and M rolled over and probed. I am going to use G's low. So, but again, for not a big range, I'm thrilled how this week started with 39.5 points. As far as destinations go, for the upside, we're going to use G's low as a price probe, 431.65. 10 wide, 432.68. Afternoon rally high in F, 433.28. And today's high of 434.61. For the downside, we have 431.19. And then we have the afternoon pullback, 431.16 from June 12th. And 430.17, another weekly low. In ES, downside 68.50, 61.25 is the pullback from June 12th, and then we have 51.25 weekly low, and then filling the rollover gap at 25.50. On the upside, price probe 72.75, 83.50 10 wide, 89.25 afternoon rally high, and 03 is today's high. And on the chart, let's look at all 3 of these in ES and SPY. So again, we have 4 days to go in the month. It's still very healthy. We're up. We just closed below August high, the one we were trying to get above. But again, the monthly is still up. So that's fine for now. The weekly is balance. So we came out of an inside week to the downside. We didn't get much for our efforts, but it's only the first day. Okay, so we closed $1 below last week's low. So right now it is an inside week down, and it's balanced for 3 weeks right now. We do have Powell again, both Wednesday and Thursday morning, and then you have PCE Friday morning, and then the end of the quarter and half year Friday. So that'll be an interesting finish to the week. So the monthly's up, the weekly is balanced, inside week down, and the daily is now down. 5 days, one time framing down. We have not done that. I went back on my daily to August of 22. This is the most we've one time frame down. Now, again, they're getting paid, right? They're not getting trapped, these shorts. They're getting paid. However, we're not getting great distance. The 20-day moving average is definitely going to come into play tomorrow morning. And right now with 65 million on the tape, 66 million, once again, the volume not great on this move down. Hope you had a good day trading. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Enjoy your evening. And we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.